So today we are doing chain-based index numbers. So, here we have to calculate index number on the basis of two factors. The first one is fixed base index and the second one is link relatives. So these two things we have to calculate first. So here we are. First we need to calculate fixed base index numbers. And in fixed base index numbers we have to choose one base year. Okay, so in current question, as the oldest year is 2005, so we will take it as base year. So whatsoever is the oldest year, the most old year in the question given to you, we can take it base year. So here 2005, let's take 2005 as a base year. So this is our base year. Now we will apply the formula. Now what is the formula we have to apply? The formula would be current year. I'll just write it here. Current year prices basically. Just a second. So current year's prices divided by base year's prices into 100. Okay, so this is the formula which we have to apply, right? So here I will apply. So current year, in the first part, the current year and base year is same, right? So current year is 200, base year is 200, 200 divided by 200. So I'll just write it. Into 100. So it comes 100 only, right? Now similarly we have to apply the same formula for next one. So here current year is 2006, so its prices are 240. 240 divided by base year is 200 into 100. So it becomes 120, right? Now similarly for the third year, so now the current year is 250. Here it is 250 divided by 200 into 100. So it comes 125. Okay. So here we will write 125. Again 260 by 200 now. Here we are 260 by 200 into 100 becomes 130. Your current year is 280. 280 by 200 into 100. It comes to be 140. Then we have 300 by 200 into 100. So this is 150. So this is how we have calculated fixed base index, right? Now we will calculate link relatives. To calculate link relatives, we do not take a base year. We calculate the index on the basis of previous year only, right? So here the formula is slightly different. So current year's prices divided by previous year prices, not base year. We will not take any particular base year, but only previous year prices, right? So now I will calculate link relatives. So to calculate link relative, in first year we do not have any previous year, so we will just simply take it as 100, but here we will take it. So here it will remain same because here previous year is 2005 only. So here we are. So current year is 240 and previous year is 200 into 100, and it comes as 120. Now again we have to apply the formula current year divided by previous year, not base year. Okay, so the current year is 250 divided by previous year is 240 here. So this 240 we will take 240 into 100. So this comes to be 104.167. Okay. Now again we will apply the formula current year divided by previous year. So current year here is 260, previous year is 250 into 100. So this comes to be 104. Now again we will apply the formula 280 is current year divided by previous year is 260 into 100. So this is 107.69. Okay. Now again we will apply the formula 300 300 is current year divided by base year is 280 into 100 is 107.14. So these are our link relatives. So now finally we have to calculate chain base index. Okay, so in chain base index it will remain 100, we will not change it. So now how do we calculate it? Okay. Now we will see how do we calculate. So the formula which we apply here is, I'll just show you. Okay, so denominator here will remain 100 only, we will not change it. Now we will multiply this 100 fixed base index and this 100 into this 120. Okay, so we will write it like this: 100 into 120, and 100 denominator will remain same, that would be 100 only, so it comes to be 120. Now similarly we will apply the formula again, the same pattern we will use. So denominator would remain 100. That would remain same. Now this 120, previous one. This in fixed base index we will take previous year's index, and in link relatives we'll take this one, 104. So this 120, we will write here 120 into this 104.167. So the answer is 125. Now again we will apply the formula. Denominator would remain 100, and this 125, this 125 into this 104 here, this one, and the answer is 130. Again, denominator would be 100 and numerator would be this 130 into this 107.69. So the answer is here 140. Again, we will apply the same formula. Denominator 100, numerator this 140 into this 107.14. So this is 150. Okay. So this is how we have calculated chain base index.